Happy Friday, guys. Today we got an oil change. Start the day off. Let's get to it. You guys can't really see it, but it's right there. Got the mic in. Hopefully it cuts out some of the wind noise. Start the day off. Let's go. Got my glasses on today. I just replaced this thing. The oil catcher head. Let's see how it works. First one in it. Looking pretty good. Not leaking. I'm gonna look for the oil filter while I'm waiting. Forward edge. You get a little oil, and you oil up the O-ring. Check the drain plug, make sure it's okay. Reinstall it. Bring it down just a little bit. Should be good to go. Now time to loosen the old oil filter. Just open a little bit, let it drain. Go inspect the rest of the car, see if anything needs work or attention. Brakes look good, tires look good, even wear. No oil leaks, nothing looks broken so far. Yeah, brakes look fine. That's look fine. No coolant leaks. Looks pretty good. When you do the oil filters, try not to make a mess. Gotta pour out the rest. Make sure you didn't leave the O-ring underneath. The double O-rings will cause a leak. Double gaskets, shall I say, will cause a leak. I say gasket, this is what I mean. It's a gasket. Hand tight. Looks good. Time to bring the car down. What's going on, Williams? You looking for something? You need something? Torx like this?
Yes.
It's quarter inch though, yeah. Huh? What? Bring it to me when you're done?
Yes.
No problem. Time to fill it up with the oil. That in the oil container?
What are we looking at? Okay, not bad, not bad. Aaron was there recording. Oh, I changed. It's already. None there. This is 5:30. This one.
You always want to start it and then check the oil. That way the filter can suck up what it needs to. You don't need to do it for long, for a couple seconds. Also, we got the Subaru. We got the motor back in it. All we need to do is the torque converter bolts, the exhaust, add some oil, and let it rip.